YouTube, this is th-9800. I've had this radio, this is my mobile here. I've had this radio for about 2 months. And I got it in the US. It is a Chinese radio, one of these quad banders. And I got it all installed here in the mobile. And I thought I'd go over something with you guys. First off, the antenna jack on the back of these, or not the antenna jack, the audio jack on the back of the radio. It's a known problem that these things have, and from what I've heard, it's a real pain in the butt to get it fixed by the company. So it's either something to stay away from or to take into your own hands or deal with. Basically what it is on the back of the radio. Let's see if I can find a picture here. Yeah, of course can't find one when I'm trying to find one. Anyway, on the back of the radio, back here where the jack is, it's next to the power port and the data port for programming it. There's the external speaker jack, and which is all great. You know, you plug in your external speaker and you think, oh, okay, you know, got my external speaker, great, works, blah, blah, blah. You unhook your external speaker and the little piece of metal in the jack doesn't spring back up, so the internal speaker works again. And I've done some research on it, and several other people, here's the picture I was looking for. Several other people have had this problem, and it seems like it is a problem with the manufacturing, and from what I've read, the company really doesn't want to replace the part. So if you get one of these radios, either go with just using the internal speaker, or if you're going to use an external speaker, just know that that internal speaker is not going to come back to life unless you do something about this jack. I do have a piece of wire, and I don't know where it is at the moment, but I just kind of frayed out the end of it and I stuck it in the hole, and actually it made the speaker come back to life. But I use an external speaker with mine anyway, so it's no big deal. And then the other problem was this radio has a detachable head to it where you can take the front of it off. Well, I looked through these instructions and yeah, it doesn't tell you anything about how to take it apart. It just says, you know, it can be separated, blah, blah, blah. There's a button here on the side of the radio that you push down, but it's not like it pops off like a CD player or something. So I got to look into this, and I noticed not a lot of people have made a video about this. If you get one of these TYT radios and you want to separate it, the thing you've got to do, and see, I pushed that button, I pulled on it, I've done everything but break it, and I thought, man, there has got to be a way to make this work. And basically what ended up happening, you see that arrow right there in the drawing? That arrow indicates that you push this button and you slide the whole thing that way. Well, I took mine down here. As you see, I have the separation cable hooked up. And I actually took this. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. I can't do it. Hang on just a second. Okay, YouTube, we're back. Actually, it's the other way. Sorry about that. But you take the unit and I can do this one-handed. Oh, wait. You push this button down, and you take the whole thing, and you actually slide it upward. See, that arrow shows the lock position, and you push this button and you pull up on it, or to the left, and then it comes off. And there's a cute little cable in here that's going to be behind there, so don't worry about, you know, breaking contacts or what have you. It's actually got a little cable in there, and it goes between this hole here and the back of the unit there. So, and then you can mount your head on the separation kit and hook up your big cable, and be good to go. So, but I thought I'd go over that because nobody has talked about how to mount this thing, and the separation holder holds this thing the same way. It slides over like that and clicks into place. There's a little release right here on the side of it. You just push that tab up and it just slides off. So I thought I'd make a video about this and show everybody that it does come apart. I thought maybe the thing had been dropped in shipping because of that. I mean, everything else works. I took out the plastic on the screen even. It's a great radio other than that, and it's got a little bit of interesting artifacts in the audio, but I have a feeling that's just because it's completely digital audio. There's no analog to it at all. Just in fact, the audio output might be a Class D amplifier. I'm not sure. So that would definitely explain some of the weird noise that I'm hearing. But other than that, other than putting up with some interesting sounds, I mean, it works really well. So anyway, this is th-9800. My name is Sean, and I just thought I'd make a video about the th-9800 quad band transceiver. Please like, comment, or subscribe if you're not subscribed, and stay tuned for more crazy ham shenanigans. Thank you for watching.